Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with a new set of questions related to mathematical sciences. Earlier, I used to post questions related to ordinary differential equation which was based on BSc syllabus. Now what I have decided is to share some important questions related to CSIR NET exam of mathematical sciences. And my main focus will be the exam of June 2021. The mathematical sciences syllabus of CSIR NET consists of 4 units. Unit 1 consists of real analysis and linear algebra. Unit 2 consists of complex analysis and modern algebra. Unit 3 consists of equations, ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation. Then you have COV, integral equation, numerical analysis, topology, and in unit 4 you have statistics. So what we are going to begin is related to unit 3 equations, and my main focus will be on boundary value problems, where we will be discussing about heat equation, wave equation, Laplace's equation and their solutions by various methods like method of separation of variable, D'Alembert solution for solving wave equation, Fourier method. We will also discuss Sturm-Liouville problems. Now this constitute a very important part in CSIR NET exam. Every time you get question related to these topics. I would like to discuss some books related to this topic. Firstly, the most important book is Ordinary and Partial Differential Equations by M.D. Rai Singhania. It consists of plenty of questions. It has theory too. Then you have Differential Equations by Shefali L. Ross, Elementary Differential Equations and Boundary Value Problems by Voice. Then Advanced Differential Equation by M.D. Rai Singhania. Now this book consists of questions related to heat equation, wave equation, Laplace equation and their solution. After that you have Boundary Value Problems in Partial Differential Equation by David L. Powers. This is a new book. I came to know about this book a few days back. I will also like to show you the content of two of the books. The first one is Advanced Differential Equations by M.D. Rai Singhania, S. Chand publication. It consists of chapters related to boundary value problems and their solution by separation of variables. Here you get heat equation, one dimensional, two dimensional. You also have wave equations, and finally you have Laplace equation. There are plenty of questions. Each part consists of numerous questions. Then the second book is Boundary Value Problems in Partial Differential Equations by David L. Powers, Clarkson University, and this is of Elsevier publication. This is a new book which I have come across, and I found the content to be really good. You have ordinary differential equation, it's boundary value problems, singular boundary value problems, Green's function. There are questions related to these topics too. Then you have chapter 2 as the heat equation, chapter 3 the wave equation. You have Sturm-Liouville problems. D'Alembert solution is also present in this book, and I really find this book to be good. You also have numerical methods related to boundary value problem present in this book. So I think that this topic is a really very important topic, and questions come in part B as well as in part C. So we will be starting with this topic, and I will be solving questions from Advanced Differential Equations by M.D. Rai Singhania, Our main focus will be from this book, and of course I will be solving some questions which has come in the previous exams. So I will be back with the next video where we will be solving the questions. Till then, thank you.